Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः. Abandon all varieties of religion and just surrender unto me. I should deliver you from all sinful reaction. Do not fear. So, this is, we can say, the most important shloka of Gita, and Prabhupada writes the most beautiful purport. Anna? Very, very deep purport. Maybe we should discuss it few days. So the question may come, भाई पूरी गीता समझाने के बाद कुछ लोग बोले, कृष्ण बोल रहे हैं सब भूल जाओ, सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य, जो भी मैंने धर्म समझाया भूल जाओ, हो गया. गीता बहुत सिंपल है, पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं, क्योंकि पूरा गीता पढ़ने के बाद कृष्ण बोल रहे हैं अब तुम सब भूल जाओ. ऐसा नहीं है. सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य माम एकम शरणम व्रज. बेसिकली कृष्ण इज सेइंग कि अगर आप इसको स्वीकार कर लो, माम एकम शरणम, whatever you have learned till now can be ignored, because this is the highest principle. Because Krishna had taught so many things in the Bhagavad Gita. He teaches in 3rd chapter Jnana Yoga. Devata Puja. Krishna is saying Sarvadharman Parityajya. Because anything which does not directly connected to pure devotion service, Mam Ekam Sharanam, can be ignored. And what? There are so many. Prabhupada says in the purport, he gives a list. Krishna talked about so many understandings, knowledge of Paramatma, understanding of Brahman, blah blah. So many things were there. But if any one of this, if it is obstructing, if it is not leading to pure devotion service, you can ignore it. You are practicing any religion of this world, but it is obstructing your surrender to Krishna, you can ignore it. You are so many so-called family relationships. If they're obstructing surrender to Krishna, we can ignore it. Correct? That's a deep meaning. Sarvadharman parityaja. We can sacrifice anything for service to Krishna. We know that when in the Mahabharata war, many people question this, how did Arjuna kill Karna? Sarvadharman parityaja. There was a Kshatriya dharma which was obstructing him. According to Kshatriya dharma, he should not hit a person who is unarmed. Agree? But Sarvadharman parityaja mam ekam sharanam vraja. Krishna is saying kill. Even any dharma you have, that should lead you to surrender to Krishna. Now Krishna is saying kill, and his Kshatriya dharma is saying don't do. What he should do? What he should do? Follow Krishna or follow Kshatriya dharma? Krishna is saying highest principle is to follow me. No dharma, no rules, regulation can come and stop you from surrender to Krishna. In case, ignore it. Like gopis are sitting at home in Vrindavan. Now it is not the dharma of a stree to leave home in the middle of night and run to some person and dance. Correct? But that person happens to be Krishna. Sarvadharman parityaja. They left their child on the floor and ran. They were feeding children. Sarvadharman parityaja. They ran. Mam ekam sharanam vraja. Correct? Krishna is calling his flute. Come, take my shelter. Chota mood badi baat. Ye to bahut gopis are very advanced devotees. We don't imitate them, but understand the principle. When Prahlad Maharaj's father Hiranyakashipu was saying, no, you will not chant name of Krishna. Sarvadharman parityaja. Hare Krishna, do what you want. Correct? Because that cannot be obstructed. Highest order is Krishna's order. Should not be obstructed. Any other example you can tell me? Whole Bhagavatam is only that. Whole Bhagavatam is that. Shukamuni was born. His father wanted to do his Upanayana ceremony. Shukamuni did not wait in the house. He ran away. Sarvadharman parityaja. He came to surrender to Krishna. क्या ये उपनयना उपनयना नयना परमहंस उसको क्या उपनयना चाहिए था चले गए. करेक्ट. चैतन्य महाप्रभु भी सन्यास डंडा पकड़ के घूम रहे थे. नित्यानंद प्रभु ने क्या किया? सर्वधर्मान परित्यज. क्या डंडा पकड़, परमहंस आदमी को क्या डंडा पकड़, तोड़ दिया, डंडा भांगा. करेक्ट. और कोई बताओ एग्जाम्पल. सर्वधर्मान परित्यज. अरे चैतन्य महाप्रभु was in this place, in the house, was in his house. His wife was young. कितना अच्छा सची माता ना उसका, विष्णु प्रिया की उम्र 16-17 ईयर्स, बहुत यंग थे उसमें. अभी शादी हुआ था चैतन्य महाप्रभु का, सेकंड शादी. विष्णु प्रिया ना, लक्ष्मी प्रिया विष्णु प्रिया. और मदर वेरी डिवोटेड, प्योर डिवोटी. लेकिन he wanted to serve Krishna. True, he is Krishna himself, but as an example, वो तो कृष्ण खुद है. लेकिन एग्जाम्पल सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य. करेक्ट हुआ नहीं? जितने ब्रह्मचारी लोग वो भी सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य. उसको लोग समझ नहीं सकते. जिसको समाज से अटैचमेंट है, क्या जरूरत है बोलेगा, है ना. घर में रह के भी कर सकते हैं, हाँ करो. लेकिन सर्वधर्म परित्यज्य इज देयर. बट देन if you are not sincere, aham tvam sarva papebhyo will not work. That papa will come behind you. So you should be very sincere. You should be very sincere. Aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami. I'll liberate you. Therefore Prabhupada says very nicely in the purport, we should consider ourselves totally helpless. So nice line, है ना? Totally helpless in front of Krishna. Definitely Krishna will give us protection. Another point Prabhupada says is assurance. This assurance is still standing. A standing assurance. Standing assurance. Anybody can take it any time. A simple surrender will do. Sharanagati. Sharanagati बहुत detailed है. We discussed many days. There are 6 principles of Sharanagati. लोग बोलते हैं हाँ surrender हो गया मैं. Surrender basic principle is You should accept Krishna above your mind. That's it. Just like जब आप किसी को अपना लीडर एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, you have some idea, we say this is not correct, we reject your idea, you accept what he is telling, correct? When you accept Krishna as a leader means Krishna जो बोल रहे हैं वो ठीक है, even though मेरा मन समझ नहीं पा रहा, no, Krishna says, that's it. So that way we should be very careful to appreciate this principle. Then there is very nice point given in the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, this is first point is clear, that Bhagavad Gita upholds pure devotion service. Whole Bhagavatam upholds pure devotion service. So again and again you will see pure devotion service is taken out of any contamination. That is what is any, just like मूवी में क्या होता है, विलेन होता है तामसिक, हीरो होता है राजसिक. सो राजसिक तामसिक पे जीतता है. दैट इज मूवी. दैट इज ऑल द मूवी. देयर इज नथिंग मोर इन अ मूवी. राजसिक की तामसिक से जीत होती है. ग्रेट. बट भागवतम इस गटर लेवल में नहीं है. भागवतम इज इवन बियॉन्ड सत्यगुणा. सो देर आर पीपल जस्ट लाइक शुकमुनि इज मेडिटेटिंग ऑन ब्रह्मन. But then when he hears from his father about Krishna's devotion service, he abandons for that. The four Kumaras, they're all situated in Brahman. When they see कि क्या होता है कृष्ण के चरण, नारायण के चरण के तुलसी स्मेल करते हैं, they abandon their Brahman, they come. You understanding? So Bhagavatam is very true. मृगारी का एग्जाम्पल है. तमोगुण से सीधा शुद्ध भक्ति. But end is शुद्ध भक्ति. शुद्ध भक्ति is separated from all kind of contamination. शुद्ध भक्ति को सारी मिलावट से बाहर करना, वो है भागवत. हाँ, करेक्ट. आप समझ सकते हैं ना. भागवत, भगवत गीता में भी क्या हो रहा है, अर्जुन अपने रिश्तेदारों ये वो नाटक कर रहा है. कृष्णा separates शुद्ध भक्ति away from all these things. So in this way you can appreciate actually. So then the next thing, next point comes. One more point we can discuss. That people, Bhagavad Gita का श्लोक है, ये शाम तो अंतर्गतम पापम जनानाम पुण्य कर्मणाम ते द्वंद्व मोह निर्मुक्तम भजन्ते माम दृढ़ावर्ता. क्या मतलब है? जब आदमी पाप से मुक्त हो जाता है तब भगवान की शरण ले सकता है. और ये श्लोक बोला है जब आप भगवान की शरण लोगे तब पाप से मुक्त होगे. ये तो कैच 22 हो गया ना. ये एक श्लोक बोल रहा है कि आप पाप से मुक्त हो तब भगवान की सेवा कर सकते हो, और ये बोल रहा है भगवान की शरण में जाओ तब पाप से मुक्त होगे. तो फंस गए ना. क्या करें हम? सो प्रॉपर से नो, द वेरी एफर्ट. हाँ, ही सेज द लाइन. क्या लाइन बोल रहे हैं? देखो, ही सॉल्व्स इट. ही सॉल्व्स दिस डायलेमा. ठीक है. Even if one is not free from sinful reaction, simply by the process of surrendering to Shri Krishna, he is automatically freed. Simply by process of surrendering to Shri Krishna. Process of surrender. So if you accept the process, okay, I may not be, but you accept, Krishna will. Actually, Vaishnavas, Guru, Krishna, they help you break this. Otherwise, you cannot surrender. पाप आदमी भगवान के ओर शरण नहीं मिल सकती. It is Vaishnavas, the Acharyas, they accept your service at this level. That's why Guru is very important. आप सेवा कर रहे हो, Prabhupada accepts it. Therefore, Krishna accepts. But actually, your service is not of good quality now. अभी आपकी सर्विस कंटामिनेटेड है रजोगुण तमोगुण से. वो सेवा भगवान को नहीं रखी जा सकती सामने. बट कहो कृष्ण स्वीकार करते हैं क्योंकि उनका भक्त स्वीकार कर लेता है. समझ रहे? ही इज इंटरमीडिएटरी. और यू कैन से द मर्सी ऑफ कृष्णा, द मर्सी ऑफ गुरु वैष्णवास मेक अस ब्रेक दैट बिकॉज ऑफ आवर सिंसियरिटी ऑफ अटेम्प्ट टू सरेंडर. वी आर नॉट एबल टू सरेंडर बिकॉज पाप योनि कैन नॉट सरेंडर. But your attempt to surrender, that sincerity is seen, that mercy is given, and the service is accepted. You got it? Try to see how we can make the bridge. You are Papa Yoni, you cannot, you are doing Papas, you cannot surrender. Without surrender, you cannot be pure. So how you make the bridge? The bridge is coming by mercy. We also say Agya Sukriti is also the bridge. Agya Sukriti. Different ways. Just like कोई बोलता है भगवान नहीं है, he will never understand God. कोई बोलता है यस भगवान की सेवा करना, उसको भगवान समझ आ जाते हैं. तो ये बीच का ब्रिज कैसे बनेगा? करेक्ट? जो भगवान नहीं है तो भगवान ही उसको ऐसा ज्ञान देते हैं कि भगवान को भूल जाता हो. और जो आदमी भगवान की सेवा में आता है उसको भगवान का दर्शन मिल जाता है या भगवान का विश्वास आना शुरू हो जाता है. ये बीच का ब्रिज कैसे आएगा? ये ब्रिज आता है बिकॉज ऑफ अज्ञा सुकृति. एंड अज्ञा सुकृति कम्स फ्रॉम वैष्णव संगा, नाम संगा. किसी तरह हाँ कीर्तन हो रहा था, अरे अच्छा म्यूजिक चल रहा है, धीरे 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 धीरे. इट्स अ वेरी बिग टॉपिक, हाउ यू गेट द अज्ञा सुकृति. Agya Sukriti means there is no conscious devotional service, but it happens. Because you cannot do conscious devotional service because you are papi now. You cannot do it. Yesham tu andhagatam papam jananam punya karmanam te do andhu moh nirmuktam bhajante maam त्रिड़ा व्रता. आप तो कर ही नहीं सकते बिकॉज आप पापी हैं. आप भगवान की सेवा नहीं कर पाओगे. ग्रेट. तो कैसे आपको भक्ति मिल रही है? अज्ञा सुकृति होती है. ठीक है. दैट इज अनदर वे वी कैन सिंपली बाय एक्सेप्टिंग द process of devotional service, consciously or unconsciously, if he takes it up, that will gradually give him the gap. So we have come in good association, might not have still surrendered to Krishna, but at least don't leave the process of devotional service. Patiently continue doing. What are that continue doing? 5 advice of Prabhupada. Chant 16 rounds, follow 4 regulative principles. What will happen? By executing the process of devotional service, one day you will get the mercy. भगवान की एक दिन कृपा मिल जाएगी. You will get shelter at Krishna's lotus feet. ठीक है? And you will, another new world will open up experience. ठीक है? So this is, we can understand this easily. Srila Prabhupada की, Bhagavad Gita की.